Hey guys, for today's video is spaghetti. So, magisa ta og bawang, sibuyas, and then asa na to ibutang atong giniling. And then, season with pamintang durog. Bisaya Tagalog ta guys. Yan, saon man ni. Halo-halo na po nato siya. And then, atong ibutang atong hot dogs. I think that's the most important thing for Filipino spaghetti, right? Halo na po nato siya. And then, asa na to ibutang atong spaghetti sauce, which is Italian style ang akong tigamit. Kaya di kayo ko ganang tamis. So, halo-halo na po nato siya. And then, season to taste with paminta, bechin, whatsoever, toyo. And toyo, yep. And then, I put sugar also. So, get a little bit taste of sweet. Ayan, then halo-halo, halo-halo, halo-halo na po nato siya guys until mix well. And then of course, ang atong cheese. Ana na ko ibutang ang cheese sa sauce. And then halo na po ta. So, mix, 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 mix very well. And then hola, luto na ato ang spaghetti Filipino style. Pwede na to. Enjoy! And guys, sa mga pa naka-follow, please follow Boholanang Kulot and thank you for watching. Have a great day!